What's going on, everyone? It's RGB Tech back here again. And today, I'm taking a look at the all-new Ulefone Armor 28 Pro, a rugged Android monster that's built to survive anything and loaded with flagship features. Let's start off with the unboxing. Inside the box, you get the phone itself, a 120-watt fast charger, data cable, user manuals cards and stuff, lanyard, screen protector, SIM needle. Now let's peel off the cover on both sides. And man, this thing looks and feels super solid. It boots with a clean stock Android 15 right out of the box. Features a 6.67-inch Full HD plus AMOLED display at 120 Hz, and even has a rear mini AMOLED screen for quick glances and notifications. With IP69K military-grade durability and drop resistance, this phone's made for extreme conditions. Under the hood, this phone comes with a massive 10,600 mAh battery with 120 watts wired and 50 watts wireless charging, plus 10 watts reverse charging to juice up your other devices. On the back, this phone comes with a quad camera setup with 50-megapixel main sensor, 64-megapixel night vision, 50-megapixel ultra-wide, and a thermal camera on the Pro version. You're also getting 4K 60 video with gyro EIS support and a 50-megapixel selfie cam. This phone is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7300 processor, backed by 16 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs UFS 3.1 storage, making it smooth, fast, and reliable. And you've got one of the most complete rugged phones ever. And the price? Just $399. That's seriously impressive for everything it brings. What do you think about the Armor 28 Pro? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more epic tech content. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.